You do me? Alright, so we need to crack all of them by hand. Number 10. We did crack some of them already, you know, so I'm just go over them. We crack some of them already. So let's go over it. Yeah man, we crack already. We crack them already. Yeah. Crack them already, don't I feel like? Yeah man. Crack this stone, crack this. Yeah man, crack this already, so can use the gun now for just ease them off for me. These are a bit different. Alright. Smarter way would that be if you have them back in there, you know. Because it's going to just lift right off. So we don't know the one so far, so we should have can lift it off. Yeah, smart way if you just leave them in there. It doesn't make no sense to take them out. Just make sure you loose them up fully. You see me? Yeah man. Alright. Just now loose up it. Alright, so you know, so all of them are lift. Alright, good. So we have to do, you have to hold the intake one. Hold this. Flat. I'm a madman building, I can just take off this so easy, you know. Oh yeah. No sir. Silicone, hold it. Tap off yourself to come off, you know. Yeah man, with silicone, hold it daddy. Oh gosh. Foolish me I do, you know. See, now I'm looking at the right in front of me, but it pull. It's alright. Should I still ease up? Out. This have to go pry up. Pry up right there. Go use it. Lift you up guys. The hole. I can't get leverage for this now. There we go. That is it. That is it. Just let them free up. Then hold man, hold. It's a side you know. There we go. So we can just lift off now. Oh, sir. Still try more. Let me go gym for. Side there all over here, so man. Lego man, Lego my career. Let me go man. There we go. Should can lift off this now. So you have to hold it. So alright, we come up. Take your time. Side the hole man. Alright, there we go. Come on. Yeah, no sir. My back man. Oi. Alright, we're gonna secure this. So you know say this is our passenger side, the driver's side. Secure this. Oh god. Wrong thing I do, you know. Secure this. Put it wrong as well. Let's put it here so first. So tell me take off the head and then put it back on. Yeah. Alright, so you lifters them now. Lifters them are nothing for joke with. You see me? The lifters them. You know? I'm gonna mark them so in case anything up me. You see me? Yeah man. I mark them. Alright, so I go crack all of them, yeah? So I can take off the head. So I'm going to stop the video. And when I take off the head now, then the video back because the video got too long. You understand? Yeah. Alright. So I'm crack all of them now. Father. It's rough. Amount of work I put in a while ago. No, sir. Terrible, man. Mighty. Hold on my back. No, man. Tired, man. And a simple sitting. So like you gonna dead a while ago, yeah. Nah, man. Alright, so basically done here now. Just how I take off the head, I have to make sure the topics don't come out because the whole thing I have to go replace. Because and catch them back and madness. Everything have them own specs. Yeah, man. So lift off time here now. Lift off time here now. Alright, so more than likely I'm gonna use a feeler gauge with a straight edge. I want to see if they have them warp, if anything. Can we have a 1 and 2 over it now and then? You see me, because I look a cool and pushing issue. You see me? I want to make sure say all of that alright. So I'll lift off the first side now. Slowly but surely. Oh, come on. No, I should take out them heads to there, you know. Because them itch on the groove. And that are going. Don't be like me, don't follow me. Here, don't follow me. Now I'm going to use back the med studs, yeah? Them now not used to me. Alright, so nice and easy. Yeah. Whew. I'm going to mark them in because this you probably can't get a machine shop if anything. Put them. Somewhere nice and safe. Yeah. That is it. That is it. Alright. So done here now. So what I do is take off one edge so far and I put back the cam them on it. So you know, so organize. I take off the idea now. So we're basically successful without breaking anything. Mixing up anything. So disassemble the engine head, right, without the maximum resources, because as you can see, I don't have an engine stand, I'm limited. So we're going to take off this slowly. That one I got tight. So I have to go careful with that one here. This one I got tight, daddy. Alright, I'm going to cut and pry this. Because I can't afford them if they jump out for me. Yeah, torture. One little bit there, I'm going to fix this. Alright, so we'll get some milk now, but now come on the work done to blood see it. Come off now. Come in. Alright, nice. So we have the next header now. So we're going to put it down. Team back there. Put him back the exhaust cam. Blood transmit this fucker. Put him back this, yeah. Alright. What that? I use methanol. Alright, so put on this proper so you know say you know power there. All them I go clean up. Well clean. Alright, there we go. We're good there, so we have the two with them off. So we inspect this here now. Remember somebody overheat twice, you know? Yeah. More than twice.
Watch you know?
The push coolant.
Watch you know? See this here? You see this here? You know see what I'm going here, so?
Oh, no.
You know see what I'm going here, so? This is I tell the story of the engine, you know? You see this? Them 2 point FR. You see, you can see the impression them on the outer end on the ring.
Remember that push?
Fuck reader go on.
No man, Ed did a lift man. And I say fuck reader go on, but Ed did a lift.
See it again?
See it a mix too.
See the 2 impression there on the outside.
Ed did a lift man. The lift head because VQ have a head lift problem when it come on to boost. So you know so you have certain PSI. The head lift basically a lift because them head studs are even good neither. Them are stuck. So I get some ARP. So this is basically done. So tomorrow now, disassembly block. So I'm going to organize and put everything over there. So everything I have to go clean up properly. I don't need them here, so everything I replace. Probably just replace some other thing too. But rods and piston come out. Yeah. They must have to change the bearings them, but a low mileage. A low mileage. No, I have to pull it up. Low mileage engine this here. So you know. I pull on everything man. Clean it up. So like that folks, we're done. Yeah man.